Welcome to the Vanghee Workflow tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through the Manage Users section to help you create and manage user accounts efficiently. First up, creating a new user. It's easy. Simply start by clicking on the Add User button. You'll see a form pop up where you need to fill in some key details. Enter the user's first and last name, their email address. Now here comes an important part, selecting the role for the user. You have a few options here: admin, approver, or maker. Choose the role that best fits the responsibilities they'll be handling, and mobile number of the user. Once you've got all the details in, just hit Save. And just like that, you've created a new user. Easy, right? And if you're trying to quickly find a specific user, just use the search bar at the top of the Manage Users section. Type in what you're looking for, and it'll help you narrow down the list. This is a great time saver, especially when you're managing a large number of users. But what if you need to update details for an existing user? No worries, we've got you covered. Simply locate the user from the list and hit the Edit button next to their name. Make whatever changes you need and don't forget to click Save to update the user information. Keeping user details up to date is crucial, but keep in mind, existing approval flows might be affected due to this change. Now let's talk about deactivating users. Sometimes you might need to deactivate a user account, and doing so is just as simple. Find the user in the list and click on the X button. This helps you manage who has access and keeps your workflow secure. So, that's pretty much it. Whether you're adding new users, updating existing profiles, or managing access, these tools are designed to make your life as an admin a whole lot easier. And remember, if you run into any questions or need a bit of help, don't hesitate to contact our customer support at 879-274-0106 or email us at info@vanghee.com. We are here to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your users as smooth as possible. Catch you in the next one.